then we get a curve. For example, now see here, we draw a drawing without lifting the pencil or without lifting the chalk. See here, this one is the drawing which is not lifting the chalk, and second one again drawing without lifting the pencil. See here, we start with one point and end with other points. Join the 2 points, we get a closed curve. This figure is known as closed curve, and this figure is open both the sides, so it is a open curve. Now polygon. A polygon is any two-dimensional shape formed with straight lines. Example, triangle, square, rectangle. Now see here, these shapes formed with the straight line. So these are the example of polygon. Let's continue with the question number 1. Classify the following curve as open or closed curve. Now see the question number A with figure. This one is the figure and both sides are open, so it is a open curve. Now number B, both sides are closed, then it is a closed curve, and here both sides are open, then it is a open curve. Now here this is a figure of closed curve. Last one is also closed curve. Let's continue with the question number 3. Draw any polygon and shaded its interior. Now see here, A, B, C, D, E. This one is a polygon, and shaded its interior means, now say this interior. Its interior part is this. So we can say A, B, C, D, E is a polygon whose interior is shaded. Now continue question number 4. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. Number A. Is it a curve? Yes, it is a curve because this figure is made without lifting the chalk or pencil. So we can say yes, it is a curve. Number B. Is it closed? Yes, it is a closed curve because both ending points are joined. Let's start with the exercise 4.3. Before starting the exercise, let's discuss about the angle. How angle is formed and what is an angle. An angle is a figure which is formed with 2 rays and a common point. Now see this figure. Q is a common initial point where 2 rays are formed. First rays are QR and second rays are QP. Now we can write angle PQR as this sign with angle PQR or angle Q. Arms is QR and QP, which is denoted with the sign of rays. Now vertex is Q. Now move to the question number 1. Name the angles in the given figure. Now see here, this is the figure A, B, C, D. We have to find the angles in the given figure. Now first angle A. Here take angle A, and which angle is formed? Angle DAB. Second angle is B, and which angle is formed? A, B and C. Third angle C, then which angle is formed? D, C, B. Now take angle D, which angle is formed? A, B, C. Now move to the question number 2. In the given diagram, name the point. See here, is a diagram is given here. This is the diagram which is given here. See, O is a initial point, common initial point, and there is two rays, OF, OE and OD. Now first question is in the interior of angle DOE. Which points lies in the interior of angle DOE? The point is A. Now write A. Number B, in the exterior of EOF. See, EOF. Exterior of EOF, that is A, C, D. This is the points A, C, D. Now see number points on the angle EOF. On the EOF. Which points on the EOF? Points is E, B, O, F. We are going to start exercise 4.4. Let's start with the question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and a point Q in its exterior. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? Now see here, this one is the figure of triangle ABC. According to the question, point P in its interior, that means point P is in its interior and the point Q in its exterior. Now see, point Q is in exterior. This one is the solution of A and B. Now question number C. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? No. See here, the point A is neither in its interior or nor in its exterior. Let's continue with the question number 2. This one is the figure of triangle. Now first question is identify 3 triangles in the figure. 3 triangles. You see here, first triangle is A, B and C. Okay, first triangle ABC. Second one is triangle ABD. See here, AD. AD is the altitude we divided this triangle into 2 parts. And now triangle ABD. ABD is here, A, B and D. Third one is ABC. A, B and C. Okay. Now question number B. Write the names of 7 angles. Now find out the 7 angles. First angle is A, B and C. This one is the A, B, C. Second one is ADC. A, D and C. Okay. Now third one is triangle ACB. A, C and B. Okay. Now fourth one, angle ADB. Now A, D and B. Fifth one, angle BAC. Now B, A and C. This one is angle BAC. Sixth, BAD. Now B,